Hey you, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. I hope you decide to hit that subscribe button because here we do makeup videos, and if you like makeup, this is the channel for you, right? So today I'm going to do this look. It's really nice, right? It's really nice, and it's from the Morphe 35B palette, and I think it's a perfect staple palette for any person that loves makeup, makeup a lot. So I just want to show you guys how you can achieve this beautiful look from that palette. So keep on watching, guys. Bye. Hey my beautiful people, and hi. I've moisturized my face already, so I'm just gonna prime now with our Photo Loving Primer from NYX. I think that's the name, and we're gonna pat that in because I feel like that's the best way to apply this primer. And our eyeshadow primer is by Urban Decay, the original one, and we apply this so that you can prevent creasing and to avoid oils off your lid. Now we're going in with our Maybelline Fit Me concealer in 350, and I really like this concealer as a base. I think it works really nice. It's kind of want to dry down to a powder if you leave it really long enough. It's like the way it works, as if you don't have to set it, which I am setting it with the Sacha Buttercup right now. Our transition color will be this orange color, and it's very beautiful. We're bringing it up a little to my brow bone because I want it to show whenever I cut my crease. And the second color that we're going to go in with, guys, is this beautiful pink from the 35B palette. If I did not state that we're using it, yes. And we're going a little below that transition color, and we're going to blend and blend until it reaches to our desired look. And after blending, we're going to go in with our transition color just to make sure there's no harsh lines. Alright, so now we're going to go in with that purple. It's the darkest purple in the palette, and I like to tap first whenever I'm going to go in with like a dark shade, just to make sure I don't mess up. So I tap and then blend. Now we're going in with our concealer, and we're going to use this and cut the crease. I like to apply a little, look up, and this will tell me where my natural fold is, so I can go a little above that to create a beautiful cut crease. And guys, cut crease take time, take practice, so just keep practicing, guys. You got this, okay? You got this. Alright, so we're going in with this yellow, and I can honestly say I should have let the concealer dry a little, but this color wasn't laying so well and it was a bit patchy, and yeah, it was patchy. So I tried to correct my mistake by using this shimmer to cover the patchiness, and that's how I end up with this look. So yeah, I'm going with our transition, we're right there, and then we're going to go in with that purple. Remember that third color that we placed on the lid? That's what we're gonna do, and we're just gonna try and blend that out a little by using this fluffy brush, and then that should be it. We should be moving on to the face. And we're going to use our MAC foundation, and I did like 2 pumps, or 2.5 pumps, using this brush to just buff it in my skin, and then use the Real Technique sponge to just give it a more smooth finish. But before all that, I'm going to go in with my foundation to clean up my brows. And I like to do this because it just gives the brows a more cleaner look, neater look. And yeah, why am I saying it? I'm tired. But yeah, that's why I did that. So it's concealer time, and I'm using the LA Pro concealer. Big up to Renika for introducing me to this one, the Cool Tan. I never think this shade would, look right on my skin, but thank you. We're going with our foundation brush to just brush out those, smooth out those harsh lines, or eliminate the harsh lines. Yeah, and I like everything to just look even, so that's why I go back over with the sponge. Setting time, set, because you don't want to stay oily and all of that. You don't want, especially if you're going somewhere, so you need to set those liquid with the powder. So that's what we're doing. So after that, we're going with this controversial brand. It's cosmetic finishing powder. I really like it. Works for me. I love the finish, but I would like to try other brands. So if you have any suggestion, comment down below. You hear them nice, Alright, so we're going with our contour palette by ABH Anastasia Beverly. It's medium to tan. Where is that clip? I don't know. So we're gonna remove all those powders. Yes, we're gonna remove it, and look, it's so nice. All right, so this is the Maybelline Stay Matte, totally a steal from my girl Jen Artistry. Yeah, totally a steal. Like, I see her using, I'm like, I need to get my hands on that bad girl, like snatch it. And I'm happy that I did. So we're gonna put on these lashes by Kami Image. I really love these lashes. They're so dramatic, like my personality. Alright, setting time. And this setting spray is from Flower. You can find it at Walmart, CVS. It's a very nice setting spray. It's claimed to set and seal, and I believe it does that because it's so nice. Then we're gonna set our brows, and all of that jazz. Highlight time. So it's my Ray palette, and I really like this highlighter, but it was a bit much. Okay, it was a bit much. You could see me from Mars. Okay, so I went in and toned it down a bit with my brush that I used to set my other areas. Yeah. So lip time. So we're using the NYX eyeliner brown pencil in brown, and the Revlon lustrous lip gloss. Now this lip gloss is so nice. When I tell you, it doesn't leave your skin feeling, not your skin, your lip feeling sticky or anything. It is just perfect and nice to wear for summer. So I've been really feeling lip gloss, so I've been doing a lot of my looks with lip gloss. But guys, can we talk about how the setting spray just make everything blend in so good? Talk truth, looks so good. Yes, so guys, remember to hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel. Comment down below if you like this look, and let's get into some slow-mo. Right, you want to see slow-mo, right? You want to see me be extra and looking fly and all of that. So wig time. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Love you.